Bougie TV. Welcome back to another episode of Bougie TV. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Listen, y'all have been blowing my TikTok up for this Meridian and Mississippi Benz. So I got a request today stating that you should check out the halftime show. And I said, sure, but this is a 2023. But let's see what's hitting on. Okay. Wait, okay, hold on. So give me some history. So are y'all a show style and core style, or are y'all both? Okay, let me just listen to it. Hold on. Okay, you got an Alcorn style. Okay, not bad. Okay. Good field presence. I like that. If y'all play Sweet Love and y'all sound as good as y'all, I promise you, I will give y'all some donations. I promise to God, once I get rich, I'm going. Yeah, I put that on everything. Y'all go back to this video. I promise y'all, if this sounds good, I'm taking a trip down there. We gonna listen. I'm gonna get, when I get rich and when I get wealthy, I'm sending out money. This ain't no high school, bro. Quit playing with me. This ain't no high school. This a high school for real. Only thing I would say, phrasing. But I guess that's how they want to arrange it. Come on, trumpets. Come on, tubas. But I understand. He didn't get to the line on 8. I know he didn't. Right here. This right here. Oh. All right now. Okay. So far it sounds pretty decent. Hold on. Okay, now the dude, he's singing to me. We don't need to hear you. Sound like one of those drunk uncles that be in the cookouts. We don't need you. Chill out. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm a sucker for the mellophone parts and the melody. I'm that right there. Say da 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 da. That right there, that got me right there. It got me. I ain't gonna hold you. That right there got me. Come on, tubas. You know what? Drum major pretty clean. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Look at the trumpet player right there. Okay. Let's say hard. Them drums, they are beating them. Oh my God, them drums sound good. Okay, now, if I'm gonna rate this and be as honest as I can, I'd rather listen to this. Them and Vicky Bird, I said Vicky Bird. Was it Vicky's Bird? Them two. Now, we ain't gonna talk about the other high school. We ain't gonna talk about them right now. But that was actually really solid. I'm not gonna lie to you. The only thing I will really suggest, and even though this is 3 years, when it comes to arranging, the only thing I'll really suggest is not making it more like there. I'm not gonna lie. Like, Can We Talk? Beautiful arrangement. The mellophones had the best when it comes. They came in with the melody. I think it was a counter melody or melody. And it fitted that. And I wish it was more of that. And also I wish there was a little bit more woodwind presence. But overall, it sounded really good. Like, I'd rather listen to this. But only thing that I really wish, that I know y'all have potential to be better, and that's all bands, you know what I'm saying? But this right here was really solid.